happy kids.
Hello kids. Today we are going to learn addition. Addition means adding numbers together. Let's start. 1 plus 1 equals what? 1 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 2. 2 plus 1 equals what? 2 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 3. 2 plus 2 equals what? 2 plus 2 equals what? The answer is 4. 3 plus 1 equals what? 3 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 4. 3 plus 2 equals what? 3 plus 2 equals what? The answer is 5. 4 plus 1 equals what? 4 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 5. 4 plus 2 equals what? 4 plus 2 equals what? The answer is 6. 5 plus 1 equals what? 5 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 6. 5 plus 2 equals what? 5 plus 2 equals what? The answer is 7. 6 plus 1 equals what? 6 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 7. 2 plus 3 equals what? 2 plus 3 equals what? The answer is 5. 3 plus 4 equals what? 3 plus 4 equals what? The answer is 7. 4 plus 5 equals what? 4 plus 5 equals what? The answer is 9. 1 plus 6 equals what? 1 plus 6 equals what? The answer is 7. 2 plus 7 equals what? 2 plus 7 equals what? The answer is 9. 3 plus 6 equals what? 3 plus 6 equals what? The answer is 9. Thank you.